This is called a data lens. You see the very first thing has year 2019, 2020. Go ahead and click 2019. We'll do the same thing. Okay, now you scroll down. You see how everything else filtered by 2019, so some of the bars got shorter. And I know it's a little hard for some of you to see. The next thing is the risk factors. So there's low risk, extreme risk, high risk, and so forth. There's construction, advanced con, right away. So let's say we only wanted to look at con. Go ahead and click con on the next. Okay. So now it's filtered down to everything in 2019 that's in construction. Keep going on down. Now let's say you want to look by office. Most of our guys are DD, so see if you can find DD in there. Yep, click there. Okay, so now it's filtered down by office. There's a whole bunch more measures here. I'm going to just have you scroll on down. You could continue to filter forevermore, but there's the 3 projects that are in DD, in theory, that are going to construction this year. So it's kind of like another way of filtering. We're filtering graphically versus filtering with the drop down. But when you're filtering, you can kind of see what's there already, right? And then as you scroll over, it tells you some information, mainly from PSS about this project. For example, if it's on the ship D list or not. Keep going over, keep going over, keep going over. Have some other things that are from PSS, the Section 4F status, the Section 7 status. If you guys didn't check that little check mark, it says NA, even if it is applicable. It just depends what you put in, right? I'm not checking your work. The description 106, if the determination is done, it will say the date that the determination was done there. Otherwise, in this case, there's none in that category, but it would say, you know, consultation letter was sent or something to that effect. So, you know, just like some brief stuff about the project. So why I think this is useful to you guys, and maybe I'm wrong, is, again, from a section or branch level, kind of pretty quickly see what's going on with the projects in your branch, right? Like, so you don't have to go here and there and everywhere. You're not going to get a whole lot of detail, but at least you know, hey, what's on the SIP this year, right? And so I personally, as a manager, appreciate being able to kind of do that quickly. And so I'm hoping that this can be of use to you in the kind of management or manager arena, to be able to kind of see more quickly what's going on, what do I have, what are my projects, when do we expect it to be done. There's an anticipated advertised date, I think, in PSS that is showing on this. I looked at the STIP for all the STIP projects for the next 4 years, and I think there was only 3 that had that advertised, or there's also an anticipated NEPA, so I was looking at them both depending on the phase. I think there was only 3 that actually showed them coming in on time versus what's programmed. From a division-wide standpoint, that's a problem, but it's nice to at least be able to see that we have that problem, right? Now, what to do about it may be another issue, but like just the fact that you kind of have this all together in one place gives you a little bit more of a sense of what's going on, rather than I'm just running in circles, I don't know what to do. And so, like, we're still going to run in circles and not know what to do, but I'm just trying to give like a little more information to the managers to kind of see what is going on, how is it happening, and hopefully kind of ease the running in circles, not knowing what I need to do kind of thing. Of course, you may not know how to fix the fact that none of them are in the right spot, but that's, again, a different story. And so